This one's it's a Squishville. They're tiny. Babs the bluebird. I've been trying to get Babs. Tank the hammerhead shark.
A squish hunt is when people will go around to the stores that they know carry Squishmallows, and they spend lots of time in the aisles looking for particular ones.
It became a thing amongst the kids, and now they search for them and they know when they're gonna be and where. We used to drive around everywhere, and now I just go to Google and search for it.
With Google search results, it shows that we most likely have their favorite in stock. We create a new SKU in our system. We enter the name and the size, so 12-inch Charlie. And Google search results show that Holly Pops has that product.
Now I can see all of the different Squishmallows that they have in stock. It's very easy.
This system is great. It will allow us to enter anything and be searchable. It put me on the map. It caused me to be profitable for a small business competing against all the other big box stores around. They can now find me and get their favorite Squishmallow.